Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Battlefield, and that is by Norman Hutchins. Guys, we're in the key of D flat on today, and this is a fun song. We're going to have fun with it. And this song is requested by Marv. Thank you so much, Marv. Thank you. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, let's get it. That's D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, and D flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, let's stretch out our hands. Let's crack our knuckles. Let's get the nerves out. There we go. Let's get it. Battlefield by Norman Hutchins. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting this song off with a nice bebop walk. And that bebop walk sounds like... Yep, I'm pretty sure you heard it, right? It's like... So that's our bebop walk. So what we're doing is we're going 1, 3, 5, 6. Oddball right here. We're going to the 7 flat. Then we're going back to the 6, 5, 3. So that's the first one. And over all of that, we're playing this D flat dominant 7 chord. So that'll sound like. Okay, that's the first one. Here's the second one. Our G flat dominant 7 walk. Let me play it for you. So what that is we're on the 4, we're playing the G flat dominant 7, we're going to our 6, walking our way up to the 1, the 2, the 3 flat, there go the oddball 3 flat, then we're going to the 2, 1, 6. Here's the next part. Alright, so all we're doing is just a 2-5-1 walk, guys. We're going 2, right there on the 2, we're playing a G flat major chord. We're just walking up. We're going to our 5, right here on the 5, we're still on that G flat major chord. And then we're going to the 1. Right there on the 1, we're just playing the D flat major chord. They're doing this beautiful gospel turnaround. It's like... So what that is we're going to the 6. And this progression is a 6-2-5-1 progression, very common in gospel. So right here on the 6, we're playing this D7 flat 5 chord. We're going to our 2. That's a G diminished 7 chord. Going to our 5. Now we're on our G flat major chord and back to the 1. And then back to the 1. And that 1 is a D flat dominant 7 chord. So all together it sounds like this. So that's what we learned. So they repeat that pass a couple of times, right? Maybe about 3 or 4 times. Now, whenever they get to the hold out part, hold out, right? Hold out. Let me give you that. So all we're doing is we're going to the 1. We're playing our 1 boogie woogie. We're on that D flat dominant 7, what we learned earlier, right? Now we're going to the 4 boogie woogie, what we learned earlier. Here's the change. Yeah, we gotta grab this chord right here. This is your, if we short it, it's a E diminished 7 chord right there on the 5 flat. So next we're going to our 5-1-4 gospel progression. Very common gospel progression in gospel, right? So we're going to our 5. We're playing this big nice chord. Grab it. It's really a B7 with this added 2 right here. And we're just walking up. Now we're going to our D flat dominant 7 on the 1. Let's continue to walk up. We're going up to our 4. Now we're on our G flat dominant 7 on the 4. Right? And then we just repeat that whole thing all over again. Hold out, hold out, hold out, hold out. Now this is how you come out of it. And I know I'll get my crown. So what that is we're going to 2, 5, 1, right? We did that earlier. G flat major chord on the 2, and then we're just walking our way up to the 5. G flat major chord, then we're going to our 1. Regular D flat major chord. So that's all of that. That's the whole first part. Now we're going to the vamp, right? Now, of course, it's just the same little run. Our bebop run, right? Do that twice, what we learned earlier. Here's the change. All right, let me give you that change. So that change is on that second pass through with the G flat bebop. Now what we're doing is we're going, that first one is a G flat dominant 7 right there on the 4. We're going to that D7 flat 5. Going to our 2, that's a G diminished 7 chord. Going to our 5, and that's a G flat major chord. And then ending on the 1, that's a D flat dominant 7. Guys, I hope this song was a blessing for you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the birthday toast. I got off work ready to celebrate my birthday, feeling like the night was mine. Then blue lights hit my rear view mirror. I pulled over, still hoping it wasn't for me. The officer checked my info and said, "Your tag is expired." I tried to explain, "I can fix it today. Today's my birthday. It just expired." She looked at me and said, "No, it didn't. This should have been handled last year. Get your belongings out. We're impounding the car." In that moment, I could have gotten mad at her, but honestly, I had to get mad at myself. I let it slide. Just like that, my celebration turned into standing on the side of the road, watching my car get towed. All because of something I ignored. Life lesson. Before blaming others, check yourself. What you delay today can disrupt your tomorrow. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And Marv, thank you again for giving us that awesome song. Please request more. Guys, you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to Yep, I heard you say it. 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell, because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yep, a subscribe button. You know what, guys? It takes 3 seconds. That's all. It takes 3 seconds to hit that subscribe. I want to see if you can do it in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit that bell and you just hit that subscribe. Guys, thank you. You have made my day and you have made my year. Thank you so much. You know what? You're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.